a while ago.
Reaction.
We'll start after we are. And yeah, whoa. Tell me if you really want it. Yeah. 050. If you really want it. We make them on the way we outside, God. None of them not bad like we, yeah. And every fat pussy gal they want we. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeVlogs, aka The Reaction. Back in the paper with another video for you guys. Right now, we're here with Dando. What is that called? Feenin. I can't pronounce the name. Feenin. I should have asked that though what that's your name, you know. Let me can call him real quick. Yeah, I'm not bother people, let me see that. But you guys, we're getting straight to this video right now, people. Like up the video, comment on the video. If you mess, subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm sorry. You have to watch the main channel video to come get updated of what's really happening. You understand? Because we're going for this right now. Ready? Run, June! Alright? Dando. DDN Nation. Dando. Big up DJ. Woo. Let's analyze. No, right now, what 100 likes on this video right now. Just saying that, but hold on, pause. Calm down, Tyreek. Them cheeks. Look at the cheeks. Look at the cheeks. Go on. Hold on, pause. If you didn't know them, I got like them black out the ears, the audio. About ear, me bumbuck now. You can't hear none of the else if you not play the music. So I forgot to listen now. Go on. Cut. Yeah. Little girl, let me tell you this. If your pum tight, you have to go get it rough. When I be able to think, what's it tight? You're going to get it rough. You're going to get it rough. Go on. Yeah. Oh. Calm down. Calm down yourself. Let me just kindly go back right there, so please, and sit down when I write there so you understand me. Oh, I want to put a light in the idea. You ever have some more of this still in that dark, you see me? I'm going to calmly play it back. Yeah, fast, that we are talking about. And that people that them that we are talking about. Them that we are talking about. That's what we're talking about. Let's go though. You know. Hello girl. Yeah. Feenin. Oh. Girl, I've been Feenin. So it's pronounced Feenin. But hold on, pause. You see, my like on the laptop now, I can do things like this and that. Bow! We reach back right there. Look on dark skin. Look on dark skin body. Look on dark skin body. Look on dark skin. Now go on. Feenin. French. They. Because me need that feeling. And me know say you want me. Me know that girl a breathing. But your body been turning. So whenever you need me, you know you can. We're not paying attention to nothing else but dark skin. Dark skin. What is her Instagram? Drop it down below in the Instagram. TyrekeVlogs. Go follow me. Go, let me know over there. So go tell me. Go tell me about Instagram. What's her at? You understand me? Because right now I'm feeling for your body. But go on. Anytime that you want me, I come for you. Yeah. 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 Sure. It feels so good like it is a dream. Sure. Feenin for your body. And some like when song easy to catch. This is my first time listening to the song. This is my first time listening to this song. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch the chorus. I'm gonna catch the song. I'm gonna catch the chorus. Go on. Feenin, mommy. So whenever you need. I think I'm in love with dark skin though, people. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I think I'm in love with dark skin. Like, please give me her Instagram angle. And I said, y'all go follow me on Instagram at TyrekeVlogs. But dark skin, he in a trouble. She in a trouble. Go on! You know you can call me. You see why you're in a trouble? Some loving when you reach a straight kissing and calling when the body rise up. Now what have you push a button, take the clothes off fast. Let me slap up your ass, push the body in short. Right now, it doesn't matter if I'm not hearing no more. I just want to see. I just want to analyze dark skin right now. So, you see that slap that she get a while ago? That's a trouble. Which one? I don't can see stuff again. I want to see that slap there again. No, hold on, pass. Just watch that. Let me slap up your ass. Jiggle. Show you who the boss is. Yeah. Me a coming like this about the classes. Real bad girl, so you know how to work it. What? You see them on the cocky when you're twirling. Yeah. Pussy tight, you forget it, bro. Yeah, yeah. This not safe. This not safe at all, boy. This not safe at all. It's safe? No, dad. Hello? No, I'm there. I don't want to be there. I'm just going to call her back. Hold on. Alright. Yo, this not safe at all. Go on. No, she a give it up. Say she never had a real nigga. Fear mash it up. Yeah. She a ring off my phone for the cocky now. Yeah. All night bed rub tongue, you know. Yeah. You can't walk on me. I feel deal with you. Girl, I've been feeding for your body. Because me need that feeling. You want me? Know that girl a free. Yeah, darling. So whenever you need me, you know you can call me. TyrekeVlogs. See him, sir. Blindfold. And she put it over. Why? Sheets. I feel like a baby in a candy store right now. For your body, Belize, the video shot. Now, Kendrick, make up yourself, dog, because the video clean, yo. That don't know things that I already got. Make up yourself, you see me? I say, make up the whole of the Belize artists, them set speed. The reaction boss is back in full effect. People, subscribe to this channel. 10K by my birthday in February. I tell you to know which day. 10K by February. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Big up for yourself. Peace out.